In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image banner clickable on Shopify. This is a great way to improve navigation and direct customers to products, collections, or special pages. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click on Online Store from the left side menu. Next, click on the three dots beside your active theme and select Edit Code. Inside the code editor, use the search bar to search for image banner, liquid, and open the file. Now select the existing code inside the file and replace it with the updated clickable banner code you copied from your source. After pasting the new code, click Save at the top right corner. Once the code is saved, click Exit and return to your Shopify dashboard. Now click Customize on your active theme. Inside the theme editor, select the image banner section you want to make clickable. In the banner settings, look for the link option and click on it. Choose where you want the banner to redirect visitors, such as a product collection or another page on your store. After selecting the destination, click Save again to apply the changes. Finally, click View your store and test the image banner to make sure it redirects correctly when clicked. And that's it. Your Shopify image banner is now fully clickable and ready to improve your customer experience. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.